guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, the Polyhedra Airdrop page is now live. So I'm going to show you guys how to check your airdrop allocation. So you can see this was tweeted 1 hour ago, and this is from their official site. So the website to claim it is this. So Zk Airdrop page is up, and for you to know your allocation, you need to visit that site. After you visit the site, you bring it down here and you click on connect reward. So I'm going to be fast with this video so that I can upload it for those of you that participated in the campaign. So this is a project I talked about. I have different videos about Polyhedra on my page. I talked about how to bridge BNB to up BNB using the Polyhedra Zk bridge, and I also made a separate video on how to participate in the Polyhedra airdrop. Okay guys, so for you to check, what you need to do is to click on connect wallet, select your preferred EVM wallet you used in participating in the campaign. Like I'm going to select MetaMask so that I can connect it. So this project was built under two chains, that is the Ethereum chain and the Binance Smart Chain. So if you click connect. All right guys, so looking on the screen, you can see I got 20 Polyhedra token. So a lot of people are complaining on Twitter that it's not worth it. Some are saying it's worth it, some are saying it's not worth it. Well, based on my opinion, I got 20 Z. I think this project is going to launch, based on my opinion, maybe around $1 to $3. But the problem here is, okay, based on my opinion, with my charges, everything I use in participating in this campaign, I'm sure I did not spend above $6 because I was not serious with this campaign. I only made a video about how to participate in it, and most of my transaction was BNB2. Then I participated in some gas tax, okay, Zk bridge interaction. I now have this NFT. Yeah, I participated in this, but they not highlighted that I participated in it. Okay, I got 20. But the problem here is this project is going to launch. The problem here is this 20 Zk token, I got it under the Ethereum chain, which is very bad because Ethereum charges is not like Ethereum charges is very massive. For you to buy Ethereum from centralized exchange, send it to your MetaMask wallet, then for you to claim again. So I just hope this token is worth maybe $5, $10 above so that I can claim. But if this token launch with a price of I think $1 or $0.5, I'm just going to leave their thing for them. So I just hope this token or this reward is worth it so that at least I can claim. And a lot of you also did not get as much as you want, those of you that did not interact massively. So a lot of people that got enough are happy. Enough of people that got enough, because if you have like I think 100 and something above and this token decides to launch at $2, at least the gas fee is not going to stop you, except you consider your charges, your gas fee you're using participating in the campaign. A lot of people bridge from chains that have a lot of gas fee to other chain, but I did not use much because I only use BNB to up BNB. Then I performed the transaction from Polygon to Arbitron just once, Arbitron USDT. So guys, I would love to hear from you or what you think about this. So this is how to check, and according to them guys, there's going to be another future reward. I'm thinking maybe people that we still use their bridge and other futures on their ecosystem to participate in some campaign. So guys, this is how to check your Polyhedra airdrop allocation, and this project is going to get listed on centralized exchange at 10 a.m. UTC today. So if you're in Nigeria, that is 11 a.m. So at 11 a.m. this project is going to be listed on almost most of the major centralized exchange like Bybit, Gates.io, and some other exchange like KuCoin, OKX exchange, but no Binance as a time of making this video. So maybe this project is going to be listed on Binance, I don't know, but for now Bybit, OKX exchange, I think MEXC, KuCoin, and some minor exchange as well. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.